everyone, I'm Lena Jacome. Thank you so much for joining me today. This tutorial is based in a 12-beat Bulerias rhythm, and it's a short footwork phrase. So let's go ahead and get started. So we're going to start on the right foot, and it's a planta, heel, flat, flat. Planta, heel, flat, flat, planta, heel, flat, flat. So that's just the mechanics of it. Let's go ahead and add the rhythm. So we start on 12. 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, again. So it's ball, heel, flat, flat, ball, heel, flat, flat, and it sounds 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. On 6, we're going to go into ball, heel, heel, heel. So it's right, left, right, and that is ball, heel, 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 toe, heel, ball, heel, 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 toe, heel, ball, heel, 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 toe, heel, ball. And it sounds like 6 and a 7, 8, 10, 12. So they're triplets. So let's go ahead and connect that. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Repeating what was on the right side on the left side. So on the left side, the mechanics of it is ball, heel, flat, flat, ball, heel, flat, flat. And then we start on the ball on the left side, ball, heel, 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 toe, heel, ball, heel, 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 toe, heel, ball, heel, 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 toe, heel, ball. And that ball is going to end on the 12 for the next phrase, and these are triplets. Okay, so now let's go ahead and continue on. So the third phrase of this 12-beat rhythm, we transition into the first part of this tutorial, which is 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 11, 12, 4. So we end 3 and. So let's go ahead and do that again. 12, So 4 is silent. We're not doing anything on 4 as far as sound. So I'm going to go ahead and add the arms. So I'm starting with the right arm in front of me, and that left shoulder is pulled back and a little bit raised. So if I had like a little drop of water, it would just flow from one side to the other and flow down that right shoulder. So I'm still keeping my shoulders back and my arm forward, and I'm floreada is away from the body. So I'm here 12, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 8, 10, 12, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 12, 1 and 2, 4. So let's go ahead and backtrack and review that again. So the first set of 12 is 12, 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5. Floreada begins 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I move to the left arm. 12, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Then I move to 12. 12, 1 and 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 12, 1 and 2, 3 and. 3 and. 3 and. 4. So let's review that again, and then I'll add more arms to close the idea. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8, 10, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let me repeat this and actually do the arms that I taught you. Okay, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. hip, left hip. 6, 7, I'm bringing my left arm over to the right. Right hand is on my right hip or rib cage. 8, 9, 10 to go into a llamada or a short remate or another footwork step. Okay, so let's go ahead and connect that all together. Here we go. Right arm. We are also going to use our head to as we change feet. So I'm here looking over my right shoulder as I start the exercise. Left, right, left, right, left, 6, 8, 10. On 10, I am bringing my left arm down to get ready for whatever llamada I end up doing. All right, we'll do this one more time and then we're done with this short and quick tutorial. Here we go. 7, 8, and 10, left, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 3, 6, 8, 10, 12, 6, 6, 8, 10, and whatever idea you want to do there. Thank you so much for joining me today. I always enjoy sharing ideas with you as I progress on my way in working on projects. And please subscribe and bye-bye.